All right, we're ready to deliver this pretty bike that we just finished up for Danny. Danny just got an audio upgrade. He got tired of Eddie being much louder than him since we finished Eddie's bike a couple weeks ago. So now Eddie won't be drowning him out anymore. Now they're nice and even. The paint is flawless on this bike. Air ride's beautiful. All the chrome is perfect. So we had to do the audio to match. Got the mid-bass drivers in the bags, Beyma Neos in the lids. They're stock boom audio lids. We're able to install 5 1/4 Beymas. Still look stock. When we did the cutout for the bags, we were careful to make sure the woofer couldn't be seen through the back. Mesh to protect it from water, dirt, and debris. LED lighting accents. Our favorite coaxials, MMats in the front. iPad dash, so it has access to all his music. Large screen makes it really easy while he's riding. Dakota digital gauges. Pretty ass bike.